Hi, this is Noah Reddick from Health and Balance, and today I'm going to show you some stretches to help manage neck pain and increase range of motion. Now, there are 4 basic ranges of motion for the neck. There is extension, flexion, lateral flexion, and you have rotation. So we're going to stretch each way. We're going to do something called PNF. This is proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. It's the most effective way to stretch. Insurance companies paid a lot of money to send people to go get care, and they want to know what the most effective way is, so they paid people to figure that out. Now, PNF involves an isometric hold. So let's start with flexion. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to push my head back and pull my head forward at the same time. My head doesn't move anywhere. I'm going to relax and I'm going to allow my head to fall forward, and again I resist, relax and pull, resist, relax, pull. We're going to do that 4 times for each one. Now we go over to lateral flexion. I'm going to reach across, grab right here, I'm going to resist, relax, pull it over, resist, relax, pull it over. I'll do that 4 times. Now we have rotation. So I'm going to take this hand and I'm going to rotate my head this way. Relax, pull it over. Again, resist, relax, resist, relax, resist. Good. And for the last one, you're just going to bring your chin up into the air and hold that for 30 seconds. Now, if you feel pinching on either side, start with the other side. Do the other side stretch first and then try to do it again. If both sides pinch, then come into Health and Balance to treat you. Thank you.